Hey everybody, we're back again. This is a first look and function test of the 1569 Dozer. I believe it's modeled after a Caterpillar by a D10, D11. They marketed this as a 1/16 scale. I'm going to say it's more along the line of about a 1/32 scale. So let's fire her up. So you can see, single function, and it just operates on rotating gear. Has no, you'll be able to push dirt, but you're not going to be able to dig dirt. You'll have to modify this to dig into the dirt. Does have some pretty good weight to it. We have the ripper there, so you can see it does lift it up off the ground. Probably about a half-inch, half-inch. But you're not going to get much out of it. This ripper back here, it may be really thin metal or a metal coating. It doesn't have any power of shoving it down into the ground, so you may be able to get in loose soil a little bit of a trench going, but more for show than anything else. Tracks are pretty good. They're that cheap rubber plastic. So maybe a modification of putting some cleats on here. Something really small because you don't have much clearance up here. All in all though, it's definitely an improvement. Without any doubts at all. So you got flashing light there. And then these two nods here don't do anything at all. They're just there for show. Pretty typical Huina sound package to them. Same thing you'll find in the excavators. We'll compare it to this one, which you guys have seen many, many times. This is the Double Eagle 597. So we can definitely say 597 is marketed as 1/20th, and overall is just a bigger. However, just playing around with this one a little bit, definitely has more traction, a little bit more power to it, and I definitely like the wider blade to it. Both of them have that loop to them. The only difference is this one, on loop, the bucket will actually curve down a little bit. It just doesn't have the butt to push it. The flip side of that is that this one is fully manual and does absolutely nothing. The rippers are just, they don't go down any, they curve down here at the bottom. So it was never designed to do anything, it's just designed for show, because they knew that this did not have enough butt to do anything. Again, these are just for show. Whereas we come over here, although this is for show in my opinion as well, you know, there's that ripper's not sharp, doesn't have any type of blade to it at all or any type of edge. Definitely something I would say for show, and very light, maybe like sand or very, very light dirt. You could make you a little line in there to simulate it. The weight on here is pretty good. You can see by me picking it up where the weight's at, where it's not. Where this here, the weight, you can see where the weight's at, where it's not, but it's considerably lighter, a couple pounds. Altogether, DE does have the DE Double Eagle has a better light package on there, and I think the sound package is better. Performance wise, I think this one's going to take it every time, especially after you modify the bucket down here so it'll dig, modify your tracks, and they recommend through different YouTube builders to add some extra weight into that as well. So like, share, subscribe as always. Have a good night and enjoy getting in the dirt.